Now let's start the geometry. Right click on geometry and go into new design modular geometry. So now we will do first draw the geometry. So go in XY plan and start the sketching. We need to change to unit into millimeter. Like this we need to do sketching. So I skip this part. So now we will open the mesh where domain is split into several parts. Now right click on mesh and open the mesh. First we will check how our normal mesh is look. Now select Z axis. Now right click on the mesh. Now right click on the mesh and go into generate. So we can see here our some unstructured mesh is also there. So we need to apply first face meshing first. After selecting one face, we need to no need to do any change. Just like this we need to apply for all faces like this. Just right click on mesh and go in face meshing and select the face. Just press apply. Like this only we need to apply for face meshing. We can see here our all the domains are selected. Now go in mesh and press the generate button to see our result for mesh. We can see here our mesh is very nice, but it is structure mesh, but it will not give us the quality result. For that we need to do edge sizing. Now right click on mesh, go in sizing. For that we need to select edge and right click on edge. At the sharp edge side we right click and go in apply. Now in the type we need to change the number of division. We can give number of division of the mesh as if we enter 100. So now that edge size the mesh are divided in 100, will divide in 100 parts. Like this we can give any number, how many division we want, we can enter the number. Like this we need to select for number of divisions. For main body we need to do like this for getting very quality result. Like this we need to do select all the edges and give and enter the number of division. For this line is little bit long, so I applied 85 instead of 80. Like this we need to do edge sizing. So we can see here our edge sizing is complete. So now go in mesh and go in generate. So we can see here our mesh it is still unstructured mesh because we not select the edges of the outer body. So we need to do for outer body also for equality in mesh. So I give number of division 100 for this all the edges. Like this we need to do. We will get the rectangle or square. Now if we don't want to select every particular line, so we can pressing the control we can select all the lines like this for saving time. But if all line dimensions are same, so we can use this feature by applying number of division. Now if we apply 100, so every lines which I selected divided by 100 division of mesh. So we can see here our mesh is very dense and very good. It will give us the accurate result as we want. We can see here squares and rectangles are there. Here very good mesh. So now refinement feature is there. It refine the meshes. Now another feature is there. If we want the behavior of mesh soft or hard, near our domain, this 2D domain, we want a very dense mesh, so we can select all the edge sizing which I applied at the head side and change to hard behavior. Now generate. We can see now the near the sharp edges the behavior of mesh is very dense. For more dense mesh, we can go for the refinement feature. So right click on mesh. For more accurate mesh, we can give the number of division more. You can see here our mesh is very good. Now go in, right click on mesh, go in insert and apply the refinement feature. Three type of refinement are available: refinement 1, refinement 2, refinement 3. Now different box we will select and see the difference. For now in this selected phase we will apply the refinement 1. Now go again in the refinement, select another phase, click on refinement and change to 2. Now again go in the refinement, now select the third phase and we will change to 3. So we can now we press the generate button. So our mesh is ready. So now zoom it and we can see here at the one mesh dense, little bit low dense compared to refinement 2. As higher number of refinement will give us more dense mesh. We can see from the result here more dense in refinement 3. So now we will go for this triangle shape mesh. For that we need to delete refinement and the face meshing. So we delete we can add face meshing in triangle also, but we will not go for that. Now right click on mesh, go in right click insert and now go on the method and select all the domain and press apply. Now we need to change method to triangles. So now click on the triangles and press apply and generate the mesh. The shape is changed it to triangle. It's give us unstructured mesh. Majorly we can see here the unstructured mesh near the walls or near the edge only